Hello, my name is Stephen Pleasance and I'm the head of curricular drama at ArtsEd. A-level drama is a wonderful exploration into the key foundations of theatre. During the course you will cover everything from acting on stage, designing for theatre and also producing your own directorial concepts. At the start of the course we practically explore a wide variety of influential theatre practitioners. You will learn new techniques, approaches, exercises to help you strengthen your acting process and performance ability. Students apply these new ideas in the creation of a devising process where they will create their own original studio productions for a live audience. Alongside your performance, you will create a devising portfolio packed with rehearsal photos, research and evaluation to help further showcase your journey from conception to the final piece. In Year 13, students perform a large scripted play. In previous years, we've taken these performances to professional theatre venues such as the Lyric Studio, Lambda and the Chiswick Playhouse. This unit really gives the students the opportunity to feel what it's like to be a theatre actor and allows them to work with lighting and sound operators, stage managers and wardrobe assistants. The course culminates in 2 written papers that they will sit at the end of Year 13. The first requires students to break down and analyse 2 play texts from a set theme and produce a live theatre evaluation. One of the key parts of the course is that we like to take you to the theatre as much as possible, so we're constantly going into the West End, seeing all the latest contemporary plays and classical revamps. The second written paper allows students to share their directorial concept for a contemporary play text, and they will annotate a small section of script and explain their ideas for their production. One thing we're really passionate about in A-level drama is to really ensure that we work with you on a one-to-one basis and help you develop your skills in terms of being an actor, designing for theatre and also being a director. We want to facilitate you and equip you with all of the exercises and techniques you could possibly need to be a professional working actor.